model, Renault Trafic Ll29 Sport Nav Engy Dci None Runner No VAT. Body, grey, panel van. Mileage, 102,050. MOT, the 2nd of May 2025. Engine, 1598 CCR9M 125 Energy E6. Transmission, 6-speed manual, front-wheel drive. Mechanical summary, it was running with a nog but has now seized, the engine will need repairing or replacing. Condition summary, bodywork is very clean. Interior is very clean. Rear load area is very clean, genuine honest work van. Well looked after van. Features, 2 former keepers, electric windows, 2 keys, parking sensors, cruise control, aircon. EU status, Euro 6. HPI, clear. Cap retail, £6,795 plus VAT. Click the link in the description for pictures and more info. Alternatively, call or WhatsApp us on 0740